Hi, I'm Ken Stern, third generation MetroVac family member, here to talk about the MetroVac Evolution Professional Full-Size Canister Vacuum. We have all steel construction, multi-layer Hepa filtration system, 4.0 peak horsepower motor. We have front swivel casters, easy maneuverability. We have a cord storage wrap on the back of the unit to easily wrap the cord around. No automatic features. We have a variable speed control that can allow you to dial from low to high for different cleaning applications. The Evolution canister has multi-layer Hepa filtration, including removing the front, a paper disposable bag, followed by a permanent cloth bag, followed by a foam filter, followed by a true Hepa filter, so no dirt, dust, dander, pet hair, and contaminants go through the motor and back into the room. You put your filters back in, the foam filter, permanent cloth bag, paper bag, and we're ready to do our cleaning. The MetroVac Evolution Canister Vacuum easily goes from carpet to bare floors. We have a combination carpet and floor tool. You depress the pedal, the brush comes out for bare floors. Depress the pedal again, and you can use it for carpeting. Power on. Carpeting areas. Depress the brush. Use it for bare floors. And if you want to do for above the surface cleaning, take out your upholstery nozzle, attach it to the hose, put the machine on low speed, do the upholstery, attach the crevice tool, get into those crevices on the couch. Add the dusting brush, like dusting. And this is the MetroVac turbo-driven hand brush. This brush is spinning at thousands of RPM, able to pick up stubborn pet hair from couches, auto interiors, stairs. MetroVac 4.0 peak horsepower, Evolution professional home cleaning system, deliberately made better in the USA.